Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Sheldon 15x42 gearhead lathe. It has a 2-speed motor, 3 horsepower, 440 volts. Quick change gearbox. Different spindle speeds. Change gears. Carriage stop. Buck 3-jaw adjust true chuck. Taper attachment. Aloris CX8 tool post with a turning facing holder, a cutoff, a boring, and a turning and facing holder. Morse taper 3 tailstock. Red dial. 4-jaw chuck. Power feed. Power cross feed. Off nuts. And this is the lower side of the motor. Thanks for looking.